This spring, students in Engines 146 faced one of the most famous engineering challenges in human history. Long before satellites could pinpoint our exact location on the planet, human beings had no reliable and accurate way to determine longitude while at sea. The missing puzzle piece was an ability to keep track of time. For centuries, countless engineers have tried and failed. It wasn't until the mid-18th century that John Harrison, an English carpenter, developed the H1 chronometer, which became the world's first mechanical clock. Like the engineers that came before them, students in Engines 146 this term undertook this quintessential engineering problem, but with a modern twist. Each student was given access to an online CAD software and shipped a 3D printer. The class of 30 students was then randomly divided into 6 teams of 5. As a team, students collaborated on the CAD models, managed iterations, and brought together the different components into one final design. Then, each individual team member was responsible for 3D printing and building their own clocks. The caveat? The students only had 10 weeks to accomplish this feat, a feat that took Harrison nearly 30 years, and they had to do it all remotely from one another.